Hi, welcome to Madras Academy. In this session, we are going to learn about how to print the message in PHP, in which location we need to create the PHP file in XAMPP server, how to view the output in a browser after starting the server, and about PHP script tag and expression tag. These are all the topics we are going to cover in this session. In PHP, if you are going to print any message, we need a echo or print. Using this echo or print only, we need to print the message. How to use this echo and print method, I will tell you. Before that, what is the difference between echo and print, we will see that. Okay, so echo. Echo can display the output one or more string, but print can only display the output one string. Only one string it will return, but here one or more string we can print it using echo. Okay, echo is faster than print because it does not return any value. Print is slow execution compared to echo because it return one value. So this is the main difference between a print and echo, and how to use the print and echo in our code, we'll see that. Next, whatever the code we are going to write in a PHP file, we need to write inside the script tag. Without script tag, we are not supposed to write the PHP code in our file. So how to write the script tag? Here, this is a start tag, angle bracket, question mark, PHP without space we have to write it. And PHP only in a lower case we have to write it, not in uppercase. This is a start tag, and end tag we have to write it like this, question mark, angle bracket, close. And inside that, whatever the code you need to add it, you can add any code inside this, either it is print message, calculation, print statement, and as well as a database connection. Everything we can write it inside this script tag. Okay, and we have expression tags also. Expression tag without PHP we need to write it, and where we are using this expression tag now, in text box, if we need to print any value, automatically the server is going to print any value in a text box miss. In that time we can use it. And here I given a small demo. I declare one variable $symbol name equal to John. Name is a variable, John is a value, and I assign the value. This is a string type, and I need to print this value from this variable. So without echo or print method, okay, I need to print the value now. I can use this expression tag. So how I return? Angle bracket, question mark, equal to. Okay, here I'm not written PHP, equal to $symbol name, and angle bracket, close, question mark, angle bracket, close. Like this way we have to write it. Okay, so without echo or print method, we can print the variable value like this way also. Okay, and how to use this script tag and the expression tag in our PHP file, we'll see that. Before writing the PHP code in your system, you have to start the XAMPP server and go to the control panel and start the Apache and as well as MySQL server like this, and click the admin button and check whether the server is started properly or not. See, I clicked the admin button, right? So my server is started. Now the server is running, okay, in my system, and I'm going to write the program code, and how to execute that code, we will see that. After install the software, go to the C colon and you will be getting one XAMPP folder like this. Just open that XAMPP folder. Inside that we are having hddoc, right? Open that one also. And this is a location. In this location only we need to create the PHP files. This is a server location. Here only we need to create the PHP file. So I'm going to create one more folder. Inside this folder, I'm going to create the PHP file, and I'm going to name this folder as web page. Okay, so web page, like that I named the folder, and in this folder I'm going to open the Visual Code editor. So for that, I'm just right clicking my mouse and go to the show more option, and here I'm having a Visual Code. Open code, open with code, like that I'm getting on content menu. Just click it. Okay, this folder is opened here in htdoc location, and this is a new folder, right? So it's asking some message right here, like this. Click yes, true, like that. So it will accept and it will open the folder like this. Okay, and here I'm having an explorer. Okay, so just you have to click that explorer, and this is a folder name, and inside that folder, if you need to create any subfolder, you can create it, and if you need to create a new file, you can create it like this. Okay, so now I'm going to create a new file. The first file we need to name it like index.php. Okay, so now my file is created, and I'm going to write the script tag here. So how to write the script tag? Angle bracket, question mark, PHP. This is a start tag, and this one is a end tag. Okay, and here I'm going to write the echo message, echo within double quotation, welcome to PHP. Like that I'm creating one message. Okay, just save this file and go to the browser. We'll see the output there. Okay, using echo, I printed the message, and I open the browser here, and how to see the output, will see that, and just type the localhost slash, and what is our folder name here? Web page, right? So we have typed the web page as a folder name, and no need to give the index.php file name here. The server will defaultly understand that file name, and whatever the code we written inside that will get the output directly. Okay, and if you need to type index.php, you can give it. Okay, not a problem. Otherwise, no need to give any file name there. Just give the web page and press enter. We'll get the output. Okay, next, using the same echo, if I'm going to calculate any value, I can give 50 plus 50. Directly we can give the value for the calculation. Save this file and go to the browser and just refresh it. We'll get the output. In echo, I just calculate the value and I'm displaying the output here. Okay, so it's getting in a same line, right? I need to print this 100 in a next line. So what we need to do, inside this double quotation, if we need to write a break tag, we can write directly there like this way, or else I will show that one also. Okay, it will automatically come to the next line, or else you can write this break tag separately like this. Okay, so in that time also it will come to the next line. Okay, and I'm going to print this welcome to PHP message in h1 tag. So how to add the HTML code here? Inside the double quotation, we need to write the start tag and end tag like this. If you write like this, it will automatically display the heading format. Okay, like this way we can print it. So here I'm using echo. Okay, in the same way, I will give one heading for this. Okay, so h1 tag, and this is for the echo. Example for echo. Okay, so just refreshing here. So like this it will print, and I need to display this text in a different format. So for that I'm going to add a color colon blue. Okay, so only that message it will display in blue color. Okay, so this is a first execution using echo, and in the same way I'm going to write the print message. Using print I'm going to print the message. So for that I'm going to create one more PHP tag, PHP script tag, and here also you can use the print within a parenthesis. This is my first web page in PHP. Like that I'm writing. Okay, so I'm not add any HTML tag. Within a parenthesis I return here. Okay, just I'm refreshing, I'm getting the output here. Okay, and same I'm going to copy it, and if we need to write without parenthesis also we can write it. Okay, that parenthesis is not mandatorily we need to write it, so we can write it in any format. And if we need to break this line, we can write a break tag inside the double quotation like this way. Okay, it will automatically come to the next line. Okay, so like this way we can use the print method. I'm just printing the message. Okay, so now I'm going to write one more calculation. I'm going to multiple two number. Okay, 15 into 2. Okay, so this is a multiple calculation. So I'm getting 30. I'm getting in same line, right? Again I need to print it in the next line. So for that what I'm going to do here, within a double quotation separately I'm going to write the break tag. Okay, if we need to write the break tag like this way also we can write it. It will automatically come to the next line. Okay, here also we can calculate the value without variable, we can calculate the value, and without variable directly we can calculate the value. Okay, so here I'm not used any parenthesis, right? And if you need to write a parenthesis also we can write it, and I will tell you here itself. Okay, just I'm breaking that line, and I'm going to write one more message inside the parenthesis. So how to write it? Parenthesis opening closing, my name is John. Okay, so like that we will create some message here like this. Okay, now I saved. Now I refreshed. See, I'm getting the output. Okay, I'm getting the break, and as well as this message is also printing. Okay, within a parenthesis or without parenthesis, any format you can write it. Okay, it will print the output. And like this way we need to use the echo and as well as print. Using this echo and the print method only, whatever the message we need to print, we can print it. Okay, and we have another format for the echo, and using example for print and echo. So here for what purpose I'm using print and echo both I'm going to tell here. For what purpose I'm going to print now? To print the variable. Okay, so till now I'm not explained about any variable, but I will tell you later. Just for the print message, using variable how to print the value, we'll see that. Okay, so here I'm going to create one more PHP tag. Okay, and now I'm going to create one string variable. So how to write it? Name equal to double quotation John. So previously in this name variable, see, I'm having John, but I'm not having any variables here, only the message, whatever the double quotation message I'm having there, it will print the output directly. Okay, now here I'm using the same John variable, John value in name variable. Okay, now how to print this variable value, we'll see that. First I will tell you the echo message. Okay, echo within without double quotation, directly we can print it like this. Okay, this is one way. See, it's printing. And if you need any message na, for that I'm using again echo within double quotation break tag. Okay, and here I'm using echo within double quotation person name dollar symbol name, like this. Within double, inside the double quotation directly we can write everything. Okay, this is another format, just for the format I'm telling like this. Okay, so like this we can write it, or else the another format is echo uh, person full name is, I'm going to write the full name using dot. Dot is for the concatenation. Okay, so I'm going to concatenate the value. Person full name is John, and he is working in Chennai. Okay, so I'm going to break this line like this. Okay, so once I refreshed, see, it's printing. Person full name is John. He is working in Chennai. Okay, like this. While we refreshed, it will print the output like this. Okay, so I'm going to concatenate two message. Okay, before name I'm having some message, and after name also I'm having some message, right? So for the concatenation I'm using dot. Like this way also you can write it, or else without the dot operator directly we can print the message. That one also I will tell you here, and no need to write a dot, double quotation and all. Just directly we can write the message like this. Okay, so if you write like that type also, it will print the output. Okay, so here I used echo for all the print message, and in the same way if we need to use print also we can write it. So within a parenthesis also we can write, without parenthesis also we can write the code. Okay, anyway it will work. Okay, so this is a way to print the message. Okay, whatever you are comfortable, whether it is a print or echo, we can use it in our code. Okay, now you cleared about the echo and as well as print. Okay, how to print the message, and how to use the echo to print the message. Okay, and how to add the script tag in our PHP page, that also I explained. And in that page I'm having multiple script tag, and how many tags you need you can add it, not a problem in that. Okay, and the next how to use the expression tags. Okay, this is the expression tag. Without echo or print we can print the message here. So how to print it, we'll see that. Next, example for expression tag. Okay, example for expression tag, we'll see that. And I'm going to create one PHP tag. Okay, anyway we need a PHP tag. See, I'm going to write a name equal to Tom. Okay, and I'm going to add a age equal to 21. Okay, so I'm having two variable, and I need to print this value. Okay, here I'm going to write a paragraph tag, person name colon angle bracket question mark equal to dollar symbol name question mark angle bracket close. That's it. Okay, this is an expression tag. I'm not using any echo or print method to print this message. Okay, same way I'm just copying this one and I'm going to paste it, and here I'm going to change the message as age and as well as variable name to age. Okay, and this is an integer value, this is a string value. In next session, what is integer, what is string, and how to assign that value, everything I will explain it. Okay, just for the demo purpose I'm given this example as an expression tag, how to handle the expression tag. For that only I'm telling here. Okay, just save it and go to the browser and refresh it. Okay, so like this way we can print the message. So I'm not using any echo or print message, directly I'm using the expression tag to print the value. Okay, these are all the way to print the value in PHP. Okay, now how to handle the script tag and expression tag. Are able to write the code using this, and in next session we are going to use the same tag. Okay, in that time if you have any doubts you just command us. Okay, thanks for watching.